Welcome to the Career Center at Long Beach City College. We are located in the Liberal Arts Campus in A1097 and the Pacific Coast Campus in LL206. Our mission is to provide career services to students through education and support as they further understand themselves and their major career options, develop skills, and gain valuable experiences. The Career Center has 6 dedicated career counselors that can help you identify factors that influence career development, assess interests, abilities, values, skills, and personality traits, and develop plans to achieve your goals. The Career Center also has dedicated success coaches who are available to answer your questions and provide support. The Career Center offers numerous services including career counseling, career workshops, career courses, and job readiness. During a career counseling session, counselors provide career assessments for self-discovery and career exploration. Multiple assessments are utilized to provide the best outcome possible, including MyMajors, Eureka, Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, True Colors, Inner Heroes, Career Coach, and Road Trip Nation. Additionally, counselors also provide assistance and direction on the career decision-making process during counseling sessions. Career counselors also use Candid Career, a great tool that features informational interviews to help students discover and explore career options, as well as how-to videos on important job readiness topics such as resume writing and preparing for job interviews. The Career Center also offers numerous workshops each semester, including MyMajors interpretation workshops. Students take the 15-minute MyMajors career assessment and get their top 10 best fit LBCC majors. They learn how to understand and explore their MyMajors assessment results and next steps with in-depth information and activities. Overview of 21st Century Skills. This workshop is designed to provide awareness of the top 10 21st century skills that employers view as important in the workforce. This workshop will provide an overview of important skills and explore ways to build and strengthen these 21st century skills. Connecting majors to careers. This workshop is designed to examine the stages of career planning, explore career opportunities within majors, and identify online resources to conduct career information about various pathways. Career decision-making. This workshop is designed to explore the decision-making styles, potential external and internal barriers, and the steps to make informed career decisions. Resume building. This workshop is designed to answer the tough questions such as, which format do I use for my resume? What should I include on this document? And what action verbs to use to strengthen my resume? Online resources and tools will also be covered. Utilizing LinkedIn for your personal branding. This workshop is designed to understand the purpose and value of LinkedIn, identify key elements in creating your LinkedIn profile, and learn how to use this platform for employment and/or internship search. And finally, networking your way to success. This workshop is designed to help you become more aware of the importance of networking and identify strategies to network in an authentic way that best fits your personality and unique skills. Career Center also offers career courses such as Counseling 7, College and Professional Success, Counseling 48, Career Exploration, and Counseling 50, Career Planning and College Success. These classes can be transferred to either a CSU, a UC, or both. Through our partnership with the Workforce Development Team, the Career Center also offers support with job readiness, including with job search strategies and support, one-on-one resume and interviewing skills, providing industry and alumni speaker series, and with finding internship and employment opportunities. The Career Center also has partnerships with the Long Beach City College community, as well as with the City of Long Beach. In partnerships with local Long Beach high schools, the Career Center hosts multiple MyMajors interpretation workshops for high school seniors. In addition, we collaborate with various affinity groups and student service areas to offer workshops for our Men of Color scholars. The focus of our workshops is to provide an understanding of the career development process and strategies of how to prepare for the workforce. We would love to connect with you. You can join our Canvas shell, give us a call at 562-938-5195, email us at careerteam@lbcc.edu, set up a counseling appointment through SARS, or connect with us on LinkedIn. We hope to hear from you soon.